Hey guys, it's Vicki with Tri-State RV in Anna, Illinois, and today we're taking a look at the 2021 Cherokee 274 BRB. So on the front of the unit you do have quite a bit of storage space, and you've got two main entry doors. This one leads into the main living space, the rear one leads into the bathroom. On the side of the unit you do have an outdoor kitchen, so you've got an ice maker, a sprayer, a cube refrigerator, a wash basin sink, and a 2-burner stovetop, along with an entertainment center and a large power awning. And taking a look inside the unit, let's see here. In the bedroom, of course, you got the bed, some closet space on either side, along with some cabinetry and some more cabinetry storage space there. Right outside the bedroom you do have your entertainment center that does include a Fuzion 30-inch fireplace, cafe style dinette, got a Fuzion refrigerator, a large pantry on the side, 2 double bunks. To the left of that we've got a large rear bath, corner vanity, medicine cabinet. You've got your toilet along with a large stand-up shower, some space to hang your towels. And back in the kitchen we got a Greystone 3-burner stovetop and oven, contour microwave, some cabinetry, beautiful backsplash, and a large single basin apron front sink, and then a large jackknife sofa. Come out and see us, Tri-State RV, Anna, Illinois.